Hi guys, this is Sajid Khan and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.
Well, after a lot of persuasion and a lot of wait, we finally have with us the man who gives the best answers in Bollywood, Sajid Khan, back with us on Bollywood Hangama. Sajid, huge pleasure to have you back on Bollywood Hangama.
First of all, I'm very worried when you said lot of weight because that's exactly what I put on. Last interview which we did, I think we did in 2014 फरीदून.
Right.
अच्छा फरीदून और मेरे जो इंटरव्यूज होते हैं वो हमेशा बहुत मज़ेदार होते हैं क्योंकि फरीदून मेरे हिसाब से लास्ट टाइम भी मैंने बोला था फिर एक बार बोलूँगा पीपल लाइक यू अ लॉट बिकॉज यू आस्क द राइट क्वेश्चंस you ask the right questions, you touch the right topics, you're very well informed, you do your homework very well, and basically you have a love for Bollywood, just like I have a love for Bollywood.
Right.
But you also know the person that you're talking to. You do your homework and research on them very well. Hence, the interviews with you always come out very well. And you have become a star celebrity in your own right. I was going through his account on Twitter. There's a lot of people following him. The people who are following me are दुकान वाला, you know, because I owe them udhar.
Thank you very much, Sajid. It's been a long time. You know, I think the best part as far as what you've been doing is, I think, has been your columns, as I've been telling you constantly.
Yes,
The
for
sort
DNA.
Of, the sort of
I write
sense
for,
of humor.
Yes.
Yeah, that column that you recently wrote about your driver, the fictitious driver, and all that. I think it was really funny, in fact. You're enjoying it?
एक घंटे में लिख देता हूँ मैं. वेडनेसडे को छपता है तो मैं ट्यूसडे मॉर्निंग या ट्यूसडे आफ्टरनून को लिख देता हूँ. वो डीएनए से एक लड़का आता है, वो बेचारा लैपटॉप पे लिखते जाता है, मैं बोलते जाता हूँ, उसके बाद उसको मैं प्रिसाइज करता हूँ और आई सेंड इट अक्रॉस. आई डोंट नो what I'm going to write next.
Right.
Something funny that happens, something funny that weird that happens, something. I try to stay away from topical things. Like you'll enjoy this week's column because everybody will expect that it's about Independence Day. But I've spoken about 40 years of Sholay.
Correct.
And the headline of the column is Sholay the greatest film of Indian cinema? That's what I'm asking you. You tell me.
Depends. I think that there have been many movies.
Which is the greatest film of Indian cinema, according to you?
Which is the greatest film? Sholay is one film that, in fact, I still remember. At that point of time, cassettes uske aate the dialogues ke. So I remembered all the dialogues.
Arey Baba,
so you can say Sholay.
Sholay.
You can say.
So, no, according to you.
I think it's Sholay.
For me also.
Yeah.
But there are lots of viewers out there who will say DDLJ,
Right.
who will say Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, who will say Three Idiots, who will say Gadar, who will say Bajrangi Bhaijaan, who will say PK. There are lots of Mother India. I've forgotten many names, you know, Kagaz Ke Phool. But I think, according to me, Sholay, and I've given out reasons why. So it's not a very funny column, but it's quite entertaining in the sense it's very informative.
Considering that when it released for the first two weeks, it
15th
was
August 1975.
yeah, for the first 2 weeks it was
a disaster flop.
It was a disaster, and
Yeah.
they were considering just reshooting the climax scene.
No,
they
the
did-
only people who were यार हम ऐसा लग रहा है हम सिप्पी फिल्म्स के पेरोल पे तौर में. The only people who were confident were Salim Javed and Ramesh Sippy.
Correct.
These three were the only ones who were confident कि ये picture flop हो ही नहीं सकती. Wait.
Right.
Everybody else had written off the film, including a couple of very big filmmakers who said कि ये film चल ही नहीं सकती क्योंकि इसमें most important angle नहीं है 70s का. माँ. इस फिल्म में माँ नहीं है.
Right.
और इस फिल्म में टाइटल सॉन्ग नहीं है शोले का. तो कैसे चलेगी?
Right.
But then, you know, when God writes it, no one can stop it. It's written on the page, it's written on the page. Sholay was destined, according to me, to be the greatest Hindi film of all time.
You've always said that cinema has been your biggest school. Whatever you've learnt in life
Yeah.
has been through cinema. And the fact is that the sort of childhood that you've had, and you guys have had difficult childhood, and many times you did not have money to pay basic bills as well.
No electricity bill. We used to sit and eat in the darkness. रात को candle जलाते थे ये बोल के कि we are rich because हम candlelight dinner हर दिन खाते हैं. Seriously. Yeah, of course. But you know, life goes on. I think 90% of the people, not just in Bollywood, but I think in almost every field of their lives in which if they are partly successful also, I'm sure they all have stories to tell of how they've come up. Basic example देता हूँ मैं. Even when you are a student and you come distinction marks के साथ, you come first in your university or you come first in your school or you come first in your college. I'm sure उसके पीछे भी एक कहानी है वो लड़के के पीछे कि कैसे पढ़ाई की उसने, कैसे लैंप पोस्ट के नीचे बैठ के पढ़ा होगा या कैसे उसने किताबें किसी और से चोरी की थी या किसी से भीख मांग के किताबें ली थी पढ़ने को. So there are many stories. I'm sure you also must be having your own stories. I'm sure lots of people have their own stories. One has to learn from those stories,
Right.
and one has to decide as to what is it that you want to achieve in life. I never wanted to achieve success. Believe me when I'm saying this. I wanted to achieve recognition, which came with success. Films were getting successful as a filmmaker. recognition was not coming my way. Are you understanding? Because that host and those tag and that, अरे ये तो बॉलीवुड का मजाक उड़ाता है. Are you understanding? ये तो न्यूसेंस है यार, इसकी पिक्चर कैसे हिट हो गई यार, दूसरी पिक्चर भी हिट हो गई, तीसरी पिक्चर भी हिट हो गई. वो recognition एज अ फिल्म मेकर नहीं मिल रहा था मेरे को. फरीदुन यार रिस्पेक्ट मी यार, मेरी पिक्चरें हिट हुई है, मैं साइड में नहीं खड़ा रहूँगा, मेरे को सेंटर में खड़ा करो. I was a little foolhardy in my head. I think Himmatwala and Humshakal not working exactly made me realize and made me grow up and not get upset and angry with others, example critics, but look within myself as a person. Okay, what is it that has irked them off in the first place that no other filmmaker has a distinction which I have, that my films don't get reviewed by them, I get reviewed. Are you understanding?
Correct.
कि यार फिल्म इसकी अच्छी हो या ना हो वो दूसरा बात है, हमको ये पसंद नहीं है तो हम इसकी फिल्म को हाफ स्टार देंगे. Are you understanding?
No, absolutely.
So I'm not making a genuine effort कि नहीं मुझे पसंद करो, मैं बहुत अच्छा नहीं, I'm not making that. But yes, I have done a lot of growing up and I have understood it's better to be quiet and be a little more diplomatic and politically correct and be a little more mature in the way you talk rather than shoot your mouth off just for attention.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.